Have you ever reached the end of the day and wondered, where did all my time go? The truth is, we all get the same 24 hours. The difference is how we use them.
Time isn't the problem. Distractions are. Social media, endless scrolling, and constant notifications quietly steal hours every day.
Start each morning by writing down the 3 most important tasks for the day.
Focus on one task at a time. Multitasking feels productive, but it actually slows your brain down.
Use the 25-minute focus rule. Work with full concentration, then take a short 5-minute break.
Keep your phone away while working. Every notification breaks your concentration. Learn to say no to things that don't help you reach your goals. Small daily improvements create huge results over months and years. Remember, being busy doesn't always mean being productive. Every minute you save today becomes an investment in your future success. Your time is your most valuable asset. Spend it wisely, because once it's gone, you can never get it back. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe,